This is how you install gel pads on your Walker's razors. Now this one you want to pay attention to. Some of the other ear pro that we carry gel pads for, it's pretty easy to install. The Walker's razors, it's very easy to do it wrong, and if you do it wrong, you will wreck your ear pad. So follow along for this instruction specifically. This one's important. Walkers come with these foam pads here in many variations, and they're okay, but they're not great. They just don't provide a very good seal, especially if you're using something like shooting glasses. When you turn your head, things like that, it's gonna break the seal. And it's really important to get a good seal on your ear pro. It's kind of the whole point of them. You wanna make sure your ears are getting protected. And gel pads are a great solution to that. These have a lot more push room. They have more padding in general, and they're gonna provide a better seal around your head and around anything like a shooting glasses that you may be using. There's a couple parts on these ear pads that are important for the install. The general ear pad around, the foam or the gel, the plastic backer, and the mesh netting on the inside. The mesh netting is really just to hold in all of the internals and provide some more comfort. The plastic backing is the part that actually clips onto the ear pro. Now the problem is that this plastic backing doesn't extend all the way around the inside of this gel. Some of these other gel pads that we sell for different headsets, you can just pull out entirely because we'll be able to get our fingers in the inside and pull out. If you do that on these pads, you will rip off the pad itself. Do not do that. We have to get the actual ear pad off using the sides on the exterior edge of the pad, which I'll show you how to do right now. You might be wondering why we've included a penny in your kit. The penny is an actually important install tool that we will be using in order to pop the ear pads off. Putting them back on is easy, popping off is the issue. I don't know who figured this out, but it's a really cool trick. We're gonna take the side of your Walkers right here that have the foam pads still on them, and we're gonna use the penny to pop off that ear pad. We're gonna take the penny and we're gonna put it under the arm right here on the side that's connecting your Walkers to your headband. We're gonna put it under like so there should be a bit of tension between the arm and your headset. You are going to have to push into there with some force. And now we have enough leverage that we can start pulling up on this side, pulled up, and it should start popping off the ear pad like this. Before you do that, it might be helpful to turn your headset again so you actually have room to pull that up. And it's coming out, it's coming out. There we go. As you can see, I've just popped off that seal using the penny. Now we can take out that penny, we don't need it anymore. Now you should be able to pop off that ear pad. So now that we've got it off, you should see the insides of your ear pro. There's some foam padding here, there's the speaker itself, and you should have a clean surface to work with. We're going to take our gel pads as so, and now we're just going to line them up. So you should have a properly aligned groove around the sides, just like we did before. And now all you need to do is just start slowly pushing in on these sides until you are flush on every side of the gel pad. And just like that, we are good to go. That's how you install your gel pads and replace your foam pads. The foam pads that come with Walker's razors work, but we do recommend you swap the gel pads if you care about that extra protection, especially when you're moving your head around or you have some glasses that you're using. Your hearing really does matter, so take good care of it. That's how you install these. If you want to get the 2-pack of these gel pads, you can go to the link in the description, defensedistributors.com.